Hello students of standard 9. How are you beta? Fine. In the last lecture I have explained you about the Heron's formula. That Heron's was a mathematician who derived a formula to take out an area of an scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means having three unequal sides. हमें पता है, we know the formula of an equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 side square. It's very good. Then area of an isosceles triangle कि b upon 4 root over 4b square minus a square. Now what is the formula of scalene? Before Heron's nobody derived this thing, so there was a confusion how to take out the area of an scalene triangle. So he derived a formula, that is S equals to a plus b plus c upon 2. S means the semi perimeter of an triangle, and he derived a formula that area of triangle equals to root over s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So by applying this formula only we can take out the formula area of an triangle, of equilateral triangle also, isosceles triangle also, and even in the right triangle, that is half into base into height. So this one. So I am solving another questions for you. You can see over here the questions has been given. Find the area of a triangle whose two sides are 13 and 14 and perimeter is 42. Means two sides are being given to you, 13 and 14, and perimeter means additions of the all three sides is 42 given to you. You have been not given the third side. So what we have done, I have done the solutions. Therefore we consider A as 13, B as 14 and perimeter 42 being given to you. Now what is a perimeter? Perimeter means additions of the all three sides. So A plus B plus C equals to 42, 13 plus 14 plus C equals to 42. Now when we add 13 plus 14, it comes 27. So C equals to 42 minus 27, it will be 15. So you can see over here that A is 13, B is 14 and C is 15. So it is an isosceles, it is an scalene triangle. So how can we take out the formula of scalene triangle area? How can we take out? It was very difficult before Heron's derived the formula. So will use the Heron's formula. So S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2. 42 divided by 2, 21. So the semi perimeter, S means semi perimeter is 21. Now I am using the formula area of triangle equals to root over S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the formula of Heron's formula. This is an area. To take out the area of triangle we will use this formula, Heron's one. Now area of triangle, that is S is 21, 21 minus 13, A is 13, 21 minus 14, B is 14 and 21 minus 15, C is 15. So 21 is 21 over here, 21 minus 13 is 8, 21 minus 14 is 7 and 21 minus 15 is 6. Now I have split 21. 21 means 3 is 7 ja. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 will be 7 and 6 2 3 ja. Now students, when you will split the terms, now make a pair. If you make the pair, then you can take it out from the root, outside the root, if it makes a pair only. So 3 and 3, there is 2, so we have taken out 1, 7 is 1, there are 1 2 3 4, there are 4 2's, so 2 2's will be out, so 2 into 2, so 7 3's are 21, 2 2's are 4, 21 into 4 84. The area of triangle is 84 centimeter square. So this was an answer to take out the area of triangle whose sides are 13, 14 and 15. Hope you have understood this topic very clearly. Okay. Now students, there is another question. To find an area of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle having two sides equal. That you know also. So a question has been given to you that the unequal sides of an isosceles triangle is 6 and perimeter is 24. Find its area. Means उसका जो बेस, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल के दो साइड इक्वल होते हैं और बेस इक्वल नहीं होता है, तो उसका बेस का वैल्यू आपको 6 दिया हुआ है और उसका टोटल पेरीमीटर 24, हम लोग को एरिया निकालने के लिए बोला जा रहा है। So look at over here. Then A equals to A, B equals to B, and C equals to 6 been given. We know that perimeter means combine of A plus B plus C is 24 given. So A plus B plus C equals to 24. So A plus B plus C equals to 24. So A plus B equals to 24 minus 6, 18. Now as we know that additions of both sides of an isosceles triangle equal sides is 18. और हमें आपने पहले भी आपको मैंने बताया कि आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल्स के दोनों साइड इक्वल होते हैं. इक्वल होने के कारण a इक्वल्स टू b इक्वल्स टू 18, मतलब दोनों को इक्वली डिवाइड करेंगे तो 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 9 मींस वैल्यू ऑफ a इज आल्सो 9 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ b इज आल्सो 9. तो a plus a equals to 18 because a equals to b, isosceles triangle having two equal sides. तो a equals to 18 divided by 2 9 means a का वैल्यू भी 9 and b का वैल्यू भी 9. Now you are being given the value of a is 9, value of b is 9, value of c is 9. You can see over here, आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, you can see that I have taken out the value of a, b and c. Now I am applying the Heron's formula that S, that is semi perimeter, equals to a plus b plus c divided by 2 means 9 plus 9 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 24 divided by 2 12. That is 24 divided by 2 is 12. So value of S is 12. Now applying the formula of Heron's, area of triangle equals to root over S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Again I have written over here area equals to the value of S is 12, value of A is 9, 12 minus 9, value of B is 9, 12 minus 9 and value of C is 6, 12 minus 6. So 12 is written as 12, 12 minus 9 3, 12 minus 9 3 and 12 minus 6 is 6. So I have split out the 12, 2 into 2 into 3 it will be 12, this 3 is over here, this 3 is over here and I have split out 6, 2 3 is 6. Now form a pair. So you can see 2 2 is one time I have written over here, 3 I have made a pair I have taken out, again 3 I have made a pair I have written out, but this 2 is alone, this is single, so it will be under root only. 2 into 3 6, 6 3s are 18 root 2 centimeter square. So area of a triangle is 18 root 2 centimeter square. So this is an answer of an isosceles triangle. You can also apply the formula. Which one formula? कि a upon 4 root over 4b square minus a square, where a is the base and b is the equal sides. But it is better that if you use this Heron's formula, you can get the answers in any form, whether it is a right triangle, whether it is an equilateral triangle or whether it is an scalene triangle. Even in isosceles triangles also you can get the answers. So this is the way to take out the Heron's formula calculations, area of a triangle. It is clear. Another I am explaining a questions, it is an about area of an equilateral triangle. Now what is an equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangles are the triangles having all sides are equal, जिसके तीनों sides equal होते हैं उसको हम लोग equilateral triangle कहते हैं. So I am explaining you about an equilateral triangle. Now students, you are being supposed to ask, find an area of an equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangles is a triangle having all three sides equal. जिसके तीनों साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं उसको इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल कहते हैं. सपोज आई ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल हो हियर, so this side and this side, all three sides are equal, then only it forms an equilateral triangle. The question has been given to you to find an area of an equilateral triangle whose sides are 10 centimeter. If you are being given a 10 centimeter side, you can use the Heron's formula also, and you can use that area of an equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 side square. You can get the answers. But I have told you beta, it is easy to find an area of a right triangle, half into base into height, area of an isosceles triangle having base A and equal side B, that is A upon 4 root over 4b square minus a square, and area of an equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 side square. But what about an scalene triangle? It was very difficult. So always we have using Heron's formula. We use Heron's formula to take out the answers. हम लोग Heron's formula यूज करेंगे तो स्केलेन ट्राइंगल, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल या राइट ट्राइंगल सभी से आंसर्स आ जाएगा. तो क्वेश्चन इज बीन गिवन टू यू. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose sides is 10. Means you have been given a side 10. Already we know that equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal. The value of A is 10, value of B is 10 and value of C is 10. So S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 2, 30 divided by 2, 15. So we got the value of S as 15. Now we are using the Heron's formula, that is area of triangle equals to root over S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So it is over here, area of triangle is over here. The value of S is 15, value of A is 10, value of B is 10 and value of C is also 10. So 15 is 15, 15 minus 10, 5, 15 minus 10, 5 and 15 minus 10 is 5. So now I have split out 15, I have split this 15. So 3 5s are 15, then this 5 and this 5 I have written 3 times. Now I am forming a pair. This 5 I have taken out, this 5 forming a pair I have taken out, but the 3 is not forming a pair, so it will be inside the root only. So 5 into 5 root 3, that is 25 root 3. So you got the answers of Heron's formula, area of an equilateral triangle. It is clear now. Now suppose if you apply equilateral triangle also, if in the questions it is been not mentioned to use the Heron's formula, then you can use the equilateral triangle formula also. So I have given, or area of an equilateral triangle equals to root 3 by 4 side square. Means the sides, whatever the value of the sides will be given, you have to multiply it with same number and with root 3 and divided by 4. So area equals to root 3 by 4, the value of side is 10, 10 into 10, 100. So 4 divided by 100, we got 25 root 3. So area of an equilateral triangle is 25 root 3 centimeter square. You can see over here also and here also. You got the both answers same. So this is a way to take out the area of an equilateral triangle using Heron's formula also and even in the equilateral triangle formula also. Hope you have understood the topic very clearly. Related to this, I have given some sums for practicing. Practice is by yourself. But suppose you have been given a perimeter of 180. Equilateral triangle perimeter is 180. अगर आपको suppose equilateral triangle का perimeter 180 दिया हो तो हर एक साइड क्या होगा 60 60 60. क्यों? क्योंकि हर एक साइड को हम लोग इक्वल होते हैं. तो 180 डिवाइडेड बाई 3, क्योंकि इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल्स के हर साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं, तो हम लोग इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल का जो पेरीमीटर है उसको 3 से डिवाइड कर दो तो वी गॉट द आंसर्स 60. ए का वैल्यू भी 60 हो सकता है, मतलब पेरीमीटर एडिशंस ऑफ द ऑल 3 साइड्स. अंडरस्टूड? प्लीज try it by yourself, try it by yourself. Stay at home, stay healthy. Thank you everyone.